There is a very interesting application of quadratic equations in kinematics that police use to investigate accidents. The stopping distance, s, in meters is related to your driving speed, v, in meters per second, when you apply the brakes, as s equals v plus 0.2 times v squared. Police investigates a car accident where the skid marks show that the car took 140 meters to stop. We need to estimate the speed at which the car was traveling in the city. If the car took 140 meters to stop, s equals 140. Solving the quadratic equation, we can estimate the speed at which the car was traveling. Notice that to solve the quadratic using the formula, we have to write the terms in descending order: quadratic, linear, and constant. A is the leading coefficient, 0.2, B is 1, and C is negative 140. Substituting this into the quadratic formula, we obtain minus 1 plus the square root of 113 divided by 0.4, which equals 24, and minus 1 minus square root of 113 divided by 0.4, which equals around negative 29. We reject negative 29 and we use the positive solution. The car was driving around 24 meters per second. Multiplying this by 3,600 seconds in 1 hour and dividing it by 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer, we obtain the speed in kilometers per hour. The car was driving at 86.6 kilometers per hour, a bit too fast for driving inside the city. This is a second interesting application. A snowball is thrown up in the air. Its height in meters above the ground at time t in seconds is given by the equation s equals 10 times t minus 5 times t squared. Estimate the maximum height that the snowball reaches. The snowball reaches its maximum height halfway through the trajectory. We have to find the x-intercepts of our parabola. But how? Stop the video here and give it a bit of thought. We have to find the x-intercepts of our parabola, and these are the times when s equals 0. Solving our quadratic by factorizing leads to 0 and 2. The snowball reaches its maximum halfway between 0 and 2 seconds, so after 1 second. Replacing t with 1, we obtain 10 take away 5, which equals 5 meters. The maximum height that the snowball reaches is 5 meters. Galileo experimented from the top of the Pisa Tower in Italy. He figured out the relationship between the distance an object falls and the time it takes, as d equals 4.9 times t squared. The Pisa Tower is 55.86 meters tall. So, how long will it take for an object to reach the ground? We substitute the height of the Pisa Tower into our equation, dividing both sides by 4.9 and taking the square root. We figure out that it takes about 3.38 seconds for the object to reach the ground. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!